Hanson Robotics Limited, established by David Hanson, is an engineering and robotics firm headquartered in Hong Kong. Renowned for its creation of lifelike robots integrated with artificial intelligence (AI), the company caters to diverse sectors including consumer products, entertainment, service industries, healthcare, and research endeavors. Among its notable creations are Albert Hubo, recognized as the first bipedal robot capable of human-like expressions, Bina 48, an interactive humanoid robot bust, and Sophia, heralded as the world's inaugural robot citizen. Central to Hanson Robotics' innovation is the utilization of a patented material known as Frubber, a spongy elastomer skin that closely mimics the texture and flexibility of human skin. Beneath this unique skin, the robots employ proprietary motor control systems to replicate a wide array of human expressions, contributing to their remarkable lifelike appearance and interaction capabilities. Sophia, introduced by Hanson Robotics in 2016, emerges as a pioneering figure in the realm of robotics. Notably, she achieved the milestone of being the first robot to receive citizenship and draws inspiration from the timeless grace of Audrey Hepburn. Initially envisioned for tasks like elderly care and crowd management, Sophia has captivated widespread attention from both the public and the media. Earning a prominent place in news coverage, Sophia made her debut at the 2016 South by Southwest (SXSW) exhibition and has since evolved into a global media icon. Her engagements with notable personalities on platforms like CNBC and appearances on renowned television programs such as CBS 60 Minutes, The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon, and Good Morning Britain have reached extensive audiences. Furthermore, Sophia has taken center stage as a keynote speaker and panelist at various international conferences and events, including those hosted by ITU and the United Nations. Sophia's impact transcends her media presence. She has been prominently featured in Audi's annual report and graced the cover of Elle magazine. Of significant note, Sophia holds the distinction of being designated as the first innovation champion by the United Nations Development Programme, marking her as the inaugural non-human recipient of a UN title. Recognizing her groundbreaking contributions to robotics, Sophia was honored with an Edison Award in 2018. Despite her accolades, Sophia's outspoken remarks have occasionally stirred controversy. Within the healthcare sector, Grace, the sibling of Sophia, specializes in providing assistance to individuals suffering from degenerative brain diseases. Amidst the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, Grace has emerged as a crucial ally in supporting isolated individuals. Leveraging advanced AI capabilities, she aids in diagnosis and communicates fluently in Mandarin, Cantonese, and English. Adorned in a blue nurse's uniform, Grace possesses distinct Asian features, collar-length brown hair, and a thermal camera embedded in her chest. This camera serves the vital function of detecting a patient's temperature and pulse, aiding doctors in diagnosing illnesses and administering treatments. Grace harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to conduct patient diagnoses, assess responsiveness, and utilize the thermal camera for vital signs detection, enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of healthcare interventions. Desdemona, an innovative creation from Hanson Robotics, seamlessly merges art and technology through her ability to craft spoken poetry in response to cultural cues and music. Often referred to as Desi, she stands as a humanoid robot and serves as the lead vocalist of the Jam Galaxy Band. Conceived by the renowned master artist and roboticist David Hanson and his skilled team, Desi operates on the combination of music and electricity. Her mission is to propagate the belief that AI can bring about positive change in the creative arts, aiming to inspire a brighter future. As the sister of the renowned Sophia robot, Desi collaborates with her bandmates, including AI scientist Benjamin Goetzel on keyboards and Jam Galaxy CEO Diane Krause on saxophone, to deliver captivating performances to audiences worldwide. At their live shows, Desi mesmerizes audiences with her AI-generated spoken word poetry and musical talents. Beyond entertainment, the band is committed to revolutionizing the music industry through decentralized systems and blockchain technology, underscoring their vision for a more inclusive and innovative future. With her uplifting message and distinctive perspective, Desdemona embarks on a journey to empower artists and humanity, fostering hope and optimism for what lies ahead. In a groundbreaking collaboration between Hanson Robotics and Dictator, a Polish company, the world saw the appointment of Mika as the first humanoid robot CEO in November 2023. Mika utilizes cutting-edge AI and machine learning technologies to drive data-driven decision-making processes. Developed as a joint research endeavor between Dictator and Hanson Robotics, Mika's appointment signifies a significant advancement in the integration of robotics and corporate governance. Notably, Dictator announced via social media on 31st October that Mika was honored with the title of Honorary Professor during the 2023-24 Collegium Humanum University inauguration in Warsaw, Poland. Further underscoring her pioneering role in robotics and academia. Alice, also referred to as Eva, was developed in 2008 by Hanson Robotics for MIRLab in Geneva, Switzerland. This female robot possesses an emotionally expressive face, designed to support cognitive robotics research at the University of Geneva. As a member of the Indigo Cognitive Robotics Consortium, which counts Hanson Robotics as a founding member, Alice plays a pivotal role in advancing humanoid development. With her innovative rubber skin and underlying servo motors, Alice can simulate a wide range of human-like facial expressions, enabling her to convey emotions such as sadness, anger, shock, and pleasure with remarkable fluidity and precision. As evidenced by researchers' videos, Alice's cheeks, mouth, eyes, and eyebrows move dynamically, allowing her to communicate human reactions effectively. Interestingly, Alice has found an unexpected role as an actress in theatrical productions, showcasing her versatility beyond her original research purposes. Bina 48 or Breakthrough Intelligence via Neural Architecture 48 is a humanoid robot characterized by a bust-like head and shoulders affixed to a frame, capable of producing lifelike facial expressions through 30 motors beneath her rubber skin. Developed by Hanson Robotics and introduced in 2010, Bina 48 represents a technological rendition of a human, commissioned by Martine Rothblatt, a millionaire seeking to replicate the appearance of her spouse of over 35 years, Bina Rothblatt. Bina 48 is equipped with a database containing numerous books, enabling her to recite passages when prompted. Currently situated at the non-profit Terasa Movement Foundation, Incorporated. Bina 48 engages in conversations with humans, sharing anecdotes such as providing emotional narratives about her brother's personality changes following his return from the Vietnam War. He made his debut in 2015 at the Global Sources Electronics Fair held in Hong Kong, showcasing his remarkable ability to recognize and mimic human expressions. Equipped with an array of cameras and advanced speech recognition technology, he can detect individuals, discern their gender, age, and interpret facial cues indicating emotions such as happiness or sadness. Hanson Robotics envisions her being utilized in various customer service roles, including hotels, owing to his adeptness in understanding and responding to human interactions. Sporting a bald head and masculine features, he exudes charm with his British accent and talent for crafting humorous facial expressions. Jules made his debut in 2006 at Wired Next Fest, captivating audiences with his advanced features including machine learning, face tracking, and facial recognition capabilities. Developed by Hanson Robotics in collaboration with the Personality Forge AI chatbot platform, led by Benji Adams and Heather McKean, Jules boasts a software designed to simulate human-like interactions. Renowned for his statistically perfect androgynous face, Jules represents a significant advancement in robotics and AI technology. Presently, the robot is stationed at the University of West England in Bristol, where he continues to contribute to research and development initiatives. The Philip K. Dick Android made its first appearance at Wired Next Fest in 2005, designed as an android embodiment of the renowned American science fiction writer Philip K. Dick. Programmed with an extensive collection of the author's works, including journals and letters, the android utilized latent semantic analysis (LSA) to engage in conversations and analyze text. Hanson Robotics and their team received an AAA award in 2005 for their creation of an intelligent conversational portrait of Philip K. Dick. However, the original robot was unfortunately lost during transit to San Francisco in the same year and was never recovered. In 2011, Hanson Robotics collaborated with Dutch public broadcaster Wipro to develop and unveil a new version of the Android. This updated version featured 36 servo motors for facial expressions and incorporated motion tracking machine vision technology. Presently, the Philip K. Dick Android is dedicated to research as part of the non-profit Apollo Mind initiative, continuing to explore the intersection of artificial intelligence and human expression. Established in 2009, X Robots launched humanoid robot exploration in 2016. 5 years later, the company unveiled China's first robot museum, the X Future Science and Technology Museum, in Lining Province. This venue houses the firm's R&D division and a bionic robot production line. Specializing in intelligent bionic humanoid robots, X Robots excels in research, development, manufacturing, sales, and service. At the 2023 World Robot Conference in Beijing on 17 August, visitors enjoyed a display of vivid humanoid robots. Jiang Lei Lei, an intelligent humanoid bionic robot by X Robots, boasts silver short hair, a cute round face, and silver armor. Through digital modeling and 3D printing, these robots replicate real faces with delicate skin, elasticity, and lifelike touch. They embody silicone art, merging aesthetics with technology, matching human height with movable joints and bones. The Geminoid series comprises humanoid robots developed by Japanese robotics professor Hiroshi Ishiguro, designed to closely emulate human appearance and behavior, featuring lifelike facial expressions and gestures. These robots can be remotely controlled to mirror human movements in real time and can be customized to closely resemble specific individuals, albeit not exact replicas. Geminoid robots serve as tools for researching human-robot interaction and cognition, investigating how people respond to robots closely resembling humans. Examples include Geminoid High 1, Geminoid DK, and Geminoid F, utilized in experiments and public demonstrations, stimulating discussions about the future implications of robotics and AI. Geminoid High 1, introduced in 2006, is an android replica of Hiroshi Ishiguro, reproducing his voice and head movements to explore human-like attributes. Geminoid F, developed in April 2010, is a realistic female android capable of mimicking human facial expressions and speech, modeled after a woman in her 20s. Geminoid DK, launched in 2011, closely resembles Danish professor Henrik Scharf, reflecting his ties to Denmark. In 2023, Hiroshi Ishiguro unveiled Erika, the first robot news anchor on national TV. Erika possesses conversational abilities, facial tracking, and reading skills. With a voice akin to a 23-year-old, she adeptly processes sound and conversations. Driven by advanced AI, Erika learns from interactions and excels in language processing. Although lacking limbs, she utilizes infrared sensors to monitor movement. Erika's potential applications span various fields, including healthcare, education, customer service, and public spaces. Actroids are humanoid robots developed by Osaka University and manufactured by Kokoro Company. Actroid boasts a strikingly human-like appearance. The first Actroid was initially unveiled at the 2003 International Robot Exhibition in Tokyo, Japan. Since then, multiple iterations of this product have been created, often resembling average young Japanese women. Actroid serves as a tangible realization of the android and gynoid concepts from science fiction, mimicking lifelike functions such as blinking, speaking, and breathing. Notably, the Reply models feature interactive capabilities, recognizing and processing speech to respond appropriately. Equipped with internal sensors and air actuators, Actroid models react with remarkable naturalness, even simulating defensive responses against intrusive actions. Enhanced by artificial intelligence, they can differentiate between gentle touches and more forceful interactions, adapting their reactions accordingly. Actroid's repertoire extends to imitating human behaviors through subtle movements, including shifts in position, head and eye motions, and simulated breathing. Moreover, these robots can be taught human-like movements by tracking reflective dots on a person's body, thereby learning and replicating gestures. Featuring realistic silicone skin and powered by external compressed air and hardware, Actroid's mobility is limited, typically displayed in seated or supported standing positions. Interaction with humans occurs through speech and nonverbal cues, with microphones recording speech and speech recognition software enabling verbal responses. The first Actroid was revealed at the International Robot Exhibition in November 2003. In January 2004, the Actroid Reply Q1 model was developed at Osaka University. In December 2004, the Actroid Reply Q1 Expo was created for Expo 2005 in Aichi. March 2005 saw the display of Actroid Expo models at the 2005 Expo, with 3 stationed at help booths and another serving as an MC on stage. Introduced in June 2005, Actroid there emerged as a rental-only model for dramatic entertainment, replicating human-like expressions with high functionality. Prioritizing lifelike presence, it boasts fluid gestures and attention-grabbing effects. Serving as a chairperson or booth assistant, it excels in delivering fluent narrations and captivating audiences. In October 2006, Actroid Dare 2 units debuted, dubbed the Actroid Dare 2, boosting enhanced appearance and performance, even cuter than its predecessor. This iconic robot surprises with long legs, a radiant smile, and captivating facial expressions. Its polished gestures make it an ideal narrator, doubling as a fashion model. In October 2008, Actroid Dare 3 units were launched, representing the younger sisters of Dare 2. Leveraging past technology, Dare 3 exhibits enhanced expressive capabilities. Notably, advancements in arm and foot movements enable actions like hand gestures and simulated kicking. While Dare 3 doesn't engage in soccer, meticulous attention to invisible mechanisms drives its development. Actroid Dare 3 possesses creative abilities, showcasing talents in singing and dancing. Actroid Sarah first appeared in November 2009. She looks like a young Japanese woman and can copy human facial expressions and movements very realistically. At the Global Mobile Internet Conference in Beijing on 30th April 2015, Yangyang, a humanoid robot equipped with a range of lifelike expressions, captivated attendees. Modeled after a key researcher involved in its development, Yangyang can blink, smile, shake hands, and even share hugs with its human counterpart. Crafted from a unique silica gel material, mimicking the tactile sensations of human skin, Yangyang marks the 4th creation from Shanghai Shenking Industry. Kavra HRP4, a slim and fast robot from Japan, was developed by Kavra Industries Incorporated in partnership with the National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology. It benefits from advanced technology used in the HRP-4C cybernetic human. With 34 degrees of freedom, including 7 in each arm for better object handling, it boasts a lightweight body measuring 151 centimeters tall and weighing 39 kilograms. The control system utilizes OpenMaste software platform and the Linux kernel with the RT-Preempt patch. On 22 March 2024, Piyush Khanna, a forward-thinking 21-year-old hailing from KIET Group of Institutions in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, introduced Anushka, an innovative humanoid. Anushka represents a fusion of AI, computer vision, NLP, simulated heartbeat, and IoT autonomy. With over 50 hand gestures, 30 eye gestures, as well as jaw and neck movements, Anushka showcases a remarkable range of expressions and interactions. Capable of assuming roles such as a receptionist, healthcare assistant, or companion, Anushka embodies the vision of harmonious collaboration between humans and machines. Anushka's intelligence is grounded in Vedic principles such as Chitta, Manas, Ahankaram, and Buddhi, reflecting a holistic approach to artificial intelligence. On Teachers' Day 2019, the Early Childhood Development Agency collaborated with Ogilvy Singapore and Geometry Singapore to employ a social robot driven by artificial intelligence. This robot facilitated a class for a group of curious young children, interacting with them in a room filled with eager learners. A recent installation from Pro Robotics mimics a female clerk, aiding in legal certificate issuance and replacing registry office staff. Equipped with over 40 servo motors for lifelike expressions, microphones for speech recognition, a facial recognition camera, and a display screen for demonstrating tasks like Nadine, developed by Nanyang Technological University, showcases advanced social intelligence, capable of expressing emotions and interacting through arm movements. Nadine is a humanoid robot developed in 2013 by Rokoro in Japan. It has realistic skin, hair, and hands. Its software and new hands were created at NTU, Singapore, and now at the University of Geneva. Nadine is socially smart, greeting people, making eye contact, and recalling past chats. It can respond to questions in different languages, display emotions through gestures and facial expressions, and recognize people it's met before. Nadine's personality changes based on interactions, and it has 27 degrees of freedom for facial expressions and body movements. It helps by reading stories, showing pictures, organizing online sessions, sending emails, and talking to family members. Nadine can also serve as a receptionist or personal mentor. Unveiled in 2021, Ameca represents a pinnacle in humanoid robotics, incorporating microphones, binocular cameras, and cutting-edge facial recognition capabilities. Tailored as a dedicated platform for advancing future robotics technologies, Ameca stands out as an ideal humanoid robot for facilitating human-robot interaction. Its hardware is the result of extensive research in humanoid robotics, leveraging our sophisticated Mesmer technology. Ameca provides a versatile foundation for testing and developing artificial intelligence and machine learning systems, seamlessly integrated with a robust Tritium robot operating system. AIDA, the world's first ultra-realistic artist robot, utilizes cameras in her eyes, AI algorithms, and a robotic arm to create art. Debuting in February 2019, she presented her work at the University of Oxford's Unsecured Futures, encouraging viewers to reflect on our rapidly changing world. Since then, she has exhibited globally, including a virtual show at the United Nations. AIDA has also addressed the impacts of new technologies at prestigious venues like the House of Lords and the Oxford Union. Her first museum exhibition took place in 2021 at the Design Museum, followed by a solo show at the Venice Biennale in 2022. Continuously challenging our perceptions of creativity, AIDA's Art sparks discussions about the responsible use of technology. At GITEX Dubai 2023, Engineering Arts unveiled two robots, Rana and Amira. Their interactions suggested a lack of affinity for each other and a reluctance to acknowledge positive remarks about one another. Next, we encounter Sarah, a creation originating from the heart of Saudi Arabia. Sarah is a versatile robot capable of dancing, answering questions, and communicating in various Arabic dialects. This robotic wonder was showcased to the world at a conference in Riyadh in March 2023. From the same origins, we meet Muhammad, an Arabic-speaking robot proficient in a second language. Designed to perform tasks in hazardous environments, Muhammad's creation by QSS Systems in March 2024 is a testament to the versatility of such technology. Dr. Alfred is a groundbreaking robot surgeon, debuting in Dubai. Despite his appearance in green scrubs, he's a hyperrealistic robot from Engineering Arts. Powered by AI and voice recognition from an English startup, Dr. Alfred converses freely. He answers personal questions, understands all languages, hinting at a future where robots like him replace humans in tourism, even as hotel administrators. Developed over a span of 3 years, Jia Jia stands as China's inaugural humanoid robot, showcasing remarkable progress in robotics technology with its ability to engage in basic conversations, display facial expressions, and execute arm movements. Unveiled by a team of engineers at the University of Science and Technology of China, Jia Jia represents a significant milestone in China's robotics landscape, marking the country's entrance into the realm of human-like robotic creations. In November 2023, the emergence of a Russian startup named Promote introduced lifelike robot clones of humans to the market, boosting the ability to replicate human physical appearances with an extensive range of 600 facial expressions. However, these robots are constrained by their inability to walk and possess limited head control, showcasing a blend of advanced facial mimicry technology and limitations in mobility and physical interaction.